Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 8th to 12th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see, here I have already opened the Euro USD chart. First let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.01% negative move, 1.16427 was the closing on Friday. Overall, here we can see a negative move on Friday. Here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, you can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a small lower wick and a big upper wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI is at around borderline oversold area, but it is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Currently, if I talk about in the one-day chart, we can see a important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. Currently, we don't need to mark any new levels. I can see a one new data which has occurred here. Let's mark that important data, and currently we don't need to mark any such new levels. So here I have marked the important levels. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.16427 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.6208 and direct resistance is 1.16457. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16000 and then 1.15706. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.16827 and then 1.17168. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this end, that is 1.16000 to 1.16208. I'm expecting a closing in this range. If you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.16457 gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till 1.16827. Overall, my expectations are a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.